Hey YouTube, it's Habs Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's been quite a long time I didn't do a video, so today I have the brand new 2021-22 O-Pee-Chee hockey hobby box. Very excited to open this box. I think O-Pee-Chee always is 1 week before Upper Deck Series 1, so I'm very excited to open this box. It has 10 cards per pack and 18 packs per box. So let's see what we can get out of this box. Gonna do this, and we're gonna put him right there. I'm just gonna close the box. It's much better. Okay, here we go. So let's start with this first pack. Good luck to everybody. So these are the base packs, base cards, I believe. So Kevin, I'm not gonna go through the base. I'm just gonna. We have a Josh Bailey, I guess it's a retro, I believe. So, retro, and we have a blue parallel of Casey Middlestat. Blue border. Very nice. Colin Blackwell, Jake Bean, Dano, and the rest is base. So first pack is done. Pack number 2. Base. We have a season highlights of Marc-Andre Fleury. We have a retro of Patrick Hornquist. And we have a Mark Scheifele. This one is written in the box, I believe. So it is a Tall Boys, I believe. This one. These Tall Boys insert, and the rest is base. Pack number 3. We have a rookie of Radim Zohorna with the Pittsburgh Penguins. We have a nice O-Pee-Chee retro and a Michael Matheson red border with the Pittsburgh Penguins, and the rest is base. The Habs are on fire lately. Cole Caulfield is starting to score a lot of goals, so hopefully we can get a O-Pee-Chee marquee rookie of him. Team checklist of Colorado Avalanche and John Tavares hockey card, playing card. Philip Myers, and the rest is base. Yeah, so a nice Cole Caulfield would be nice. Marquee rookie, Trevor Zegras, Jake Evans. Team checklist. We have Blue Jackets, Boone Jenner, and we have a nice Alexis Lafreniere season review. Pretty nice. With the Rangers. And the rest is base. Alright, final pack from the first pile. We have a marquee rookie of Logan Thompson, Drew Doughty retro, and a Tall Boys of Brady Tkachuk. Second pile. Oh, we have something. Derek Forbort, Husso, Kopp, team checklist of the Dallas, Kirill Kaprizov retro, and a Tyler Seguin playing card. So these are the back of the playing cards. Very nice. Galchenyuk, Jason. We have a season review of Niels Höglander with the Vancouver Canucks. Retro of Pavel Buchnevich and Clayton Keller blue border. And the rest is base. So Dadger, Demko, Tavares, Tanev, marquee rookie of Grigory Denisenko with the Florida Panthers. We have a rookie update of Igor Sharankovich, Tall Boys. And the rest is base. So it's pretty good that we finally have a product of Upper Deck, and hopefully they're gonna keep them coming. I believe we have series 1. We have nice Joey Keane marquee rookie, Sabres Colin Miller retro, and a Gustav Forsling blue parallel. I believe we have like Series 1, we have Stature, we have Upper Deck Premier, Artifact. So we have a league leaders of Tyson Barrie, Casey Cizikas retro, and Anze Kopitar playing card. Okay. Here we go. Base, we have Anton Strammel retro, Rupe Hintz blue border. Okay, Shea Weber, Tuck, Canucks team checklist. Team checklist. Jeremy Lauzon retro, Tall Boys of John Carlson, and the rest is base. Who do you guys think it will win the Calder this year? Trevor Zegras, Moritz Seider, Lucas Raymond, or Cole Caulfield? So Pasternak season highlight, Tim Stützle, Andreas Janssen blue parallel, and the rest is base. So 4 packs to go. So far nothing spectacular with O-Pee-Chee. Team checklist. We have Carey Price retro. Oh yes, sir! Blank back. I was I don't know. I had a feeling that it was something because it was like this. So Carey Price, blank back. These are pretty rare, I guess. He's not playing this year, unfortunately. Well, so far, but it's good to get a nice Montreal Canadiens PC card. Alright, so Tyler Johnson, Rasmus Kupari, marquee rookie, Tyler Toffoli, who just got traded, and a black border of Dante Fabro. So is this number? Yeah, this is number out of 100. So 54 out of 100, Dante Fabro. And we have a Tall Boys of Braden Point. So back-to-back hits. Hopefully it's not gonna end here. Okay, Evander Kane, retro, and Vladimir Tarasenko playing card. Here we go, guys. Final pack. Let's hope we get that nice Cole Caulfield or Trevor Zegras. Dante Fabro. We have Alec Chason, black border. Also number out of 100. And the rest is base. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next week, hopefully for Upper Deck Series 1. And peace.